one single individual who was a judge, who will naturally have more, acceptability in the legal fraternity for anything which affects somebody's faith, which has somebody's personal beliefs in it, faith in it. Like we talk about Ram Mandir. We believe there was Ram Bhagwan and that's where he was born. The same way, Mr. Bhattacharya, whoever, I don't remember, he had no right to do it, but he's done it on his personal capacity. We in our personal capacity will worship the way we are used to. I also love animals. Everybody loves it. But there has been no Pandit Sabha. There has been no Sabha of all the tribals. And I was the one who introduced in 1988, 89, 90 that there should be a protection of tribal, customary and personal law. It is prevalent in Meghalaya, it is prevalent in Nagaland, even though there are Christians there, they are still having their tribal pujas. Every 7 districts of Nagaland, every tribe which has its puja, it celebrates there. It is there in Mizoram, it is there in Jharkhand, it is there in Andhra Pradesh, it is there in everywhere. And I think I should not speak too much because I do not know the legalities. It was very, very arbitrary, and I think we should look at it as I was just writing out, and I think I've written something over here. There are the indigenous people who are living there, people who are belonging to various tribes with their own customs, with their own way of living. That's another social setup. What is today very important in Indian politics and global politics, that we have to see how it is politically being strategized. So the constitution has given us certain rights, and that is why the Bru society has a festival for they observe this day in different parts of Tripura, wherever the Bru settlements are. So, but this particular group came to Balaja and me, and they requested that we would like to have an occasion to celebrate it in Agartala because it is the capital. And the late Balaja had one. That was the last one we had, Hojagiri here in Ujjainta Palace. So we would like to have it in Balaja. My son said, already most welcome. And I, of course, was also very happy. So we started to think about it. And it has nothing to do with politics where we are concerned. It is basically I'm giving respect to the whole group community living everywhere in Tripura, in Assam, in Mizoram, in anywhere in the northeast, in Burma and Bangladesh. So that is my whole thing. And because it's a very important part of Tripura's history, the Riyams have got a different position. But the Queen has always done that. So and this is a connection between the urban and the rural Tripura. So that was the most important thing that I think I figured out from